Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. Today we're unboxing a Macally single button mouse for Mac. This is a really odd one, and I certainly didn't get it from Goodwill. I snagged this one on eBay. So let's dive in and join me on a trip down memory lane and unbox this brand new Macally single button mouse. There's not much to it other than the features that it's a single button mouse, and responsive click as it says, and ergonomic. You saw the intro and box, overall box of it. Looks pretty cool. Excited to dive in. Let's start unboxing here. Alright, let's get into it. Got my unboxing utensil here. It's a classic dental utensil utility tool. Got that wood grain for that vintage touch today. So without further ado, let's we're gonna cut the top open here. Nice and easy. Okay, looks like there is... Oh, no, it's just stuck right there. It's old plastic from 1995, if I remember correctly. Which I think it says here. Trademarks. Actually, what's pretty cool is it shows the additional peripherals before we open it. And you know, you can see the SCSI adapter, CD-ROM drive, and biggest thing here is for my computer, a new bus, because I have a Power Mac 6166, and it's a single button mouse. And we got not much to it. Ergonomic design, stress-free palm support. I am looking forward to that. Soft and quick responsive mechanical click button. Sweet. That'll definitely replace my Apple Desktop 1 mouse. But yeah, it's already open for me now, so I got the sacrificial seal open. That new smell, brand new. My God, I don't even want to take it out any further, but let's just let it flow open, as they say, naturally. And there we are. Just gonna slide that out. Let's see if I can slide it out. Can I? I'm trying to make this a perfect unboxing, but it always... And there's a little old Goodwill sticker. Certainly didn't pay $1.99 for it. Alright, so she is out of the box. Going to throw this out into the trash. Alright, I was hoping that this is not in a million pieces. So, alright, I'm going to set this aside over to the left. Okay, so we got the ADB connector there. We're going to go ahead and slide it out. Alright, not much to it. Ooh, there's a manual inside the box. So, put that there for now. Classic packaging, I guess. Almost looks not to be new, but definitely is new. For a second, I was like, almost doesn't look new. Let's see, how do they expect you to get this? Oh yeah. So you go, and then it slides out, and they got this secured. So they want you to take it out through there. Of course, there's this little tab, and I could have just done that. So I'm sure everyone will laugh at me on that, but my God. I don't know if you can see it, but the plastic does not do very well time-wise, the rubber. And that's a 1995 twisty tie here. It doesn't look new, but that's new, alright. It's just the way it looks when you take it out of a box. Yeah. That doesn't look nice at all. That's it's kind of a bummer, but it is brand new. Here's the serial number. Oh yeah, that's it's much nicer. We got our ADB connector. And I mean, everything looks, just the rubber just feels like crap. It feels like it's broken. It's gonna fall apart, which for about 25 years plus, it's expected. But let's get this guy plugged into our keyboard. But pretty nice, actually. I'm liking the ergonomics, as they actually were saying. It actually feels pretty nice. But that square other crap that I got that I have. But yeah, this is it's definitely an upgrade. Let's take a look at the box here. User manual for a mouse. Nothing else in there. Okay, so we got warning. There may be a risk of serious physical injuries from working from your computer. The warning signs: some signs of improper workstation setup include numbing things, tingling, aching in the arms or wrists. These injuries could include carpal tunnel syndrome, tendonitis. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Please don't forget to register your device. ADB devices. Make sure the computer is turned off. Never plug or unplug the ADB cable while the computer is on. USB devices. So this Mac mouse must be a little bit newer than 1995 for USB then. Wow, that's pretty cool. I got posture and furniture, hand and arm position, straining of your wrist, comfortable motion while working at the computer. Interesting. They don't do this anymore. They just give you the mouse and say, forget about your health, right? Elbows, keep your eyes relaxed. They got everything. Cleaning your mouse products. Okay, keep your mouse clean. And then the headquarters is a US branch. I got the registration right there. Pretty cool. That's awesome. Gonna put this guy back in the box. And let's get this mouse set up and plugged in. And let's mess around with it for a little bit. Alright, finally got the Macally single button mouse unboxed. Now I got it plugged in to my Apple design keyboard and powered on my Macintosh, Power Macintosh 6166 Power PC. Let's try to give this guy a shot. So far, he is buttery smooth. Very much nice. Just moving along. In fact, the this ball mouse is almost better than some of the modern day mice that I've had over the years, actually. Sure, it's not no Razer mouse or gaming mouse, but this guy's not too bad. If anything, I would say it is a significant improvement over this mouse. This is the model A9M0331 and is made in the USA, but it's seen better days. And the square, there's no ergonomics to it, and the way that the single button click is just, your fingers are just like you're clawing like a velociraptor at it. And while it's a great and classic mouse, and I do have a Macintosh SE30, it is a shell of it. If you've seen my YouTube video, I have a Raspberry Pi in it, and I'm gonna keep this for that. So I got this Macally mouse for my Power Mac, and figured that would be a great companion with that. And the answer is yes, it is. It sure is. And let's go on Frog Find here. And yes, I am online. And she's really nice, easy click. Very just, it's almost like a kind of a feel of a modern mouse. Now, if we remember, we were reading the instruction manual, it did talk about USB devices. So this mice is it's probably from the late 90s, maybe 99. I'm gonna have to look and dig in, and probably correcting myself in the video here below, but yeah, this is a great mice. Let's just type in Apple iPhone, and yeah, just kind of drag around, click down. Yeah, the click is very nice and easy. We'll click on something. Yeah, it's just super nice. Very much an improvement over that. So, good stuff there. And, yep. Wikipedia is loading. And so while I was taking a second, and I'm going to close this program out, the one thing I got to say is the length of the cord is almost too short. I mean, it's perfect for, because the way it's designed, but I don't know, if you had a big desk and needed to sprawl out, it might be an issue, but if I were actually reviewing this in that sense, but overall it's an amazing product for being so old. That works great. Let's close out of Netscape here. Yeah, I would say this is a great mouse. If you do end up finding this somewhere at Goodwill, eBay, or anywhere, yeah, it's a great mouse. Macally single button mouse. Can't think of anything else. Great mouse for all your ADB needs. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. I know this was a very interesting video. I hope I've not made it too long and kept it as short as possible, being that it is just a mouse. But this was a brand new mouse, stuck in a time capsule, as they said. So I figured, what the heck? Let's take you along for the journey. And with my Power Macintosh. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna play a little bit of games with more games, I should say, with my Macally mouse. We played a little bit of Duke Nukem. Gonna play some Doom 2 now, and enjoy the evening. Y'all have a good one. Take care. And as always, this is Chaos Demon. See you next time.